हॅलो मम्मा, हॅलो बाबा. मी काही दिवसात येतोय. मला लागणाऱ्या काही गोष्टी तुम्ही तयार ठेवा. मला लागणारे छान छान कपडे हे असे असतील. मला लागणारे बुटू हे असे असतील, चुटुक चुटुकले बुटू. मला लागणारी दुधाची बॉटल अशी मोठी असणार आहे. या बाबा छान छान खायला बनवतो म्हणे. आणि ही माझी अशी बग्गी गाडी. पण माझ्या गाडीला चाकं लावून घे. खऱ्या गाडीला चाकं पाहिजे. हे योगेश काकाला चाकं मिळाली नाही म्हणून हे अशी केली. आणि हे सगळं रेडी ठेवा. मी आलोच. मी काही दिवसात आलोच.
Hi Girija, I wish we could be there with you right now, all of us, to celebrate this special moment. But because we can't, so happy virtual baby shower to you. And hope this puts a smile on your face and lots of warm wishes to you for the upcoming adventure. And huge congratulations from me and Dev. And truly can't wait to see the little one soon.
Hi Girija, how are you? I hope you are enjoying your special time. Wishing you a lifetime of health, happiness and love. Take care. I know you will be a wonderful mother. Bye.
Hi Jamaushi. If you need a babysitter, you know that's me.
Ashu and Ja, we are super excited for the new member in our gang. We are so happy to have the baby coming in next month. And you know, as Avanti said, that she is available for babysitting, and so am I. Since Avanti's grown up now, I don't have to look after her all the time. So best of luck for this new journey of your life, you guys. Love you.
Congratulations again. I'm sure you must be very excited for that D-Day to come in where you will hold those tiny little hands and legs in your arms. A small little baby is coming soon to you, isn't it? And we just all of you wish you a very happy and a healthy baby, and you have a hassle-free delivery. Now I have Bihana who wants to say something for you.
Jamaushi, I am very eager to meet the new baby. I will come home to play with her, and I'll bring lots of diapers and toys for her.
Okay. Stay safe, stay indoors. Happy
Stay home,
pregnancy.
stay safe.
Hi Girija, hope you are feeling really good. I know exciting time, you may be anxious, you may be a little bit nervous,
Yeah.
but this is what I want to say, that good time lies ahead, be positive, eagerly awaiting for the baby to be in your arms, and looking forward to meet the baby, the new family members at Mahetres. And Vihana is really very excited. She really wants to hold the baby. I'm sure you will get a lot of toys like these for the baby, whether it's a girl or a boy. I'm sure it will brighten up your lives. Take care of yourself, and we all are there with you. Good luck.
I want a boy. I want a boy. I want a boy. I want a partner in crime. Please.
जा मावशी, तू सगळ्या मुलांची फेवरेट मावशी आहेस. सगळ्या मुलांना तू प्रचंड आवडतेस. आय एम शुअर काही मुलं थोडीशी जेलस होणार आहेत, कारण का तू आता त्यांच्याबरोबर एवढा वेळ काढू शकणार नाही जसं पूर्वी काढायचीस तसं. आणि आशू मामा, सगळ्या मुलांनी तुझी बिझनेस क्लास सीट तर खूप एन्जॉय केली आहे. आय एम शुअर युअर बेबी इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू एन्जॉय इट नाव. बाकी वी ऑल लव यू बोथ lots and extremely happy for you guys. Now this message is for the baby. Baby, extremely sorry we won't be around to see you grow, but hopefully we'll have lots of video calls and we'll keep sending our love and blessings from US. And I also hope की नील दादूनी तुझ्यासाठी छोटे छोटे त्याचे फेवरेट टॉईज ठेवलेले आहेत बेबी असतानाचे. We hope that you also enjoy playing with those toys.
Bye.
Bye bye.
baby. Congratulations to you two. You're getting one of the best parents that you could ever get. And while we won't be there in person, but we'll speak a lot on video and we'll be there in person for 1 month. असं नीलनी सांगितलं 1 महिना जायचंय. Hi Ashu, hi Ja. Congratulations. This is one thing that I didn't want to miss and sadly I have to. पण तुम्हाला मजा येणार आहे. It's going to be the ride of your lives. So be prepared. झोपून घ्या छान. आणि I'll see you guys soon.
तुझ्या हाय कर मावशीला हाय कर हाय तू पण हाय कर हाय
हाय मावशी बोल. हाय मावशी. कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स.
कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स म्हण कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन
कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन. हाय काका बोल.
तू
कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन.
बोल हाय काका तू बोल
कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स. कुठे काका आता बघणार. Hi Ashuja, congratulations, and I hope Girija that Ashu is taking good care of you, and have a lot of fun. One thing I want to say, sleep is overrated, babies are not. So have a fun pregnancy, and I wish we could be there. I see some yummy snacks being uploaded on Facebook and Insta by Ashu, so I just hope that you're having some fun time in the lockdown, and I hope to see you soon. Congrats.
Congratulations.
Tata. Bye. Take care.
Congratulations, Ashu and Ja.
Welcome to mentalhood.
Enjoy your last few days of peaceful sleep. Bye.
When I will come to Pune, I will play with the babies. Till then, Aji has sent some gifts to the baby.
Hey Jani Ashu.
कसे आहात तुम्ही? सो वी आर रिअली हॅपी आणि खूप एक्सायटेड आहोत तुमची ही गुड न्यूज कळाल्यानंतर. अँड वी रिअली विश लॉट्स ऑफ हॅपीनेस, गुड हेल्थ अँड सक्सेस टू बोथ ऑफ यू आणि ॲज वेल न्यू अपकमिंग बेबी.
आणि ज्या आशू तर तुझे सर्व डोळे पुरवतच आहे, ते दिसतच आहे, मस्त फोटोज पाठवतोय. सो आशू कीप अप द ग्रेट वर्क. आणि बाळासाठी असा मेसेज आहे की तुझे आई बाबा गणिताच्या क्लासला भेटले. गणिताची कोडी सोडवली का नाही माहिती नाही, पण आयुष्याचं कोडं तर मस्तपैकी छानपणे सोडवलंय त्यांनी.
Oh, and by the way, how can we miss this thing for our virtual Dohare Jeevan celebration? So here it goes.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how do you wonder who you are? Boy or a girl, whoever you are, you will be Girija and Ashutosh.
Shining star.
Enjoy the journey of parenthood to the fullest. Take care and stay blessed.
हाय आशुतोष आणि गिरिजा, कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स. आम्ही खूप खुश आहोत तुमच्यासाठी. आणि आता लवकरच आशू रिलीफ फंडामध्ये जॉईंट अकाउंट वगैरे येणार आहे. हॅव फन गाईज, बाय.
Hi Ashu, hi Ja, and hi to the little baby in there. Firstly, congratulations to all three of you. We're very happy for you and we know how much this means to you. You've been such a wonderful Maushi and Kaka to all the kids in the clan, and we are sure you're going to be fantastic parents. And we're going to spoil the baby a lot, so wait for it. We're waiting a lot to see the baby. We know it's going to be a little bit delayed because of the corona, but we're just waiting to see his pics. We hope the baby has Girija's beauty, her loving nature, her grace, her elegance,
and her gender as well.
And Ashu's kindness, his passion for food. The baby is going to be such a big foodie. We hope it's a big foodie because both the parents are proving their cooking talents, and in the lockdown, the baby's seen it all. So the baby must be wanting to see the whole movie after coming out. And lastly, Girija, I want to tell you that motherhood is a lovely experience. And if anybody asks me what's the happiest moment in my life, I would say that was when I held Kavya and Kedar for the first time in my life. The happiness in everybody's face, and the time when I saw Gopal crying with joy when he held Kavya for the first time is just priceless. Forget about everything else. Don't worry about anything else. Leave everything to the doctors and just enjoy the experience. And if the baby or the mother need anything, the doctor, Maushi and Kaka are always there to welcome. Okay? So take care. Congratulations again. And all the best.
All the best.
Kavu, all the best.
All the best one. Cow, all the best one.
गोपाल आहे मी याला बाबू म्हणतो. हाय आशुतोष. हाय आशुतोष काका. हाय गिरीजा मावशी and all. गिरीजा मावशी कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन. 9th month सुरू आहे ना, अजून थोडे दिवस आहेत. बेबीची मी खूप आतुरतेने वाट पाहतोय. कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स. सगळे पण खूप उत्साहात असतील. मला पण खूप मजा येईल. बारशाचं इन्व्हिटेशन द्यायला विसरायचं नाही. बारशाला जायचंय. नाही तसं नाही.
Hi, congratulations. Can't wait to have another baby to play with.
Can't wait to see you, Ja, after the lockdown. Anika is so happy to be Thai once more, and we are really looking forward to go on safaris with you and the baby.
And then have some real adventures.
3, 7, 8, start football.
Hi guys, so we've been trying to take this video for 3 days before Zoya wakes up from her afternoon nap, after she sleeps at 1 a.m. in the night, or in between all her tantrums in the days that she has. In short, welcome to parenthood. One of a tiring, frustrating, very hard journey, but it is one of the most fulfilling, fun and a crazy adventure that you're ever going to take on, and I promise you, with all the hard work, it is extremely amazing. I cannot think of any other couple that I know of who are more destined to be parents and who are going to do an amazing job, and I just want to wish you guys all the very best. And I know that this little angel is going to be loved like no other, and you guys are going to do a fantastic job. We love you guys, and we cannot wait for the baby to be here.
Hi baby, it's me, the very loud noise from the outside you've been hearing for all these months. I just wanted to say you're very lucky. You're being born to 2 lucky and awesome parents. A mother who's gonna love you, comfort you, and take care of you like anything else. A father who's going to spoil you. He's going to make you awesome food, and he's going to protect you till the end of the world. I just wanted to say we all love you. You're going to be spoiled. You're going to be troubled. You're going to be loved. And anytime you get in trouble or you want to get in trouble, all you have to do is call us. We love you.
Hardest congratulations, guys. This is one of the best phases of your lives. Enjoy it, live it to the most, capture as many moments as you can, and you're going to have a lot of fun along the way. I think you all will make great parents. It's very obvious because you all love each other so much, and that love can only be can be spread even more, and there's a lot more to give around as well. Have a great time during all of this. I'm sorry, Girija, we could not give you an official baby shower because of this lockdown. But I'm sure there is one intended to be held once we're done with all of this. Have a great time, guys. If you ever need my babysitting services, I'll be available. Especially when you're going on a date night or something. We'll be more than happy to oblige. You'll be amazed at how good I am at it. Bye bye. See ya.